Good morning. It is October 11th. Back at South Lake. And we're going to mix it up today. We're going to start today here at South Lake. Gonna throw a little cheese, some power bait. I'm going to throw some more flies. They were actually just crushing some flies. And Diegas and I were here last time. So I'm going to throw some of those hoppers and chubby Chernobyl's and put some in sunroom. See how we do. But it's beautiful. And this is just the start. Wait till I get into the fall foliage and show you guys. It's going to be amazing. Oh yeah. Let him go. Well, we got about, I don't know, 10 or 12 up at the lake. Saved a couple little pan fryers here. And just cooking it up by the stream here. Taking a little break for some lunch. Let's see where I'm at here. Pretty nice. It's pretty hazy out there. I think there's a fire behind like this Brianna Basin. Anyway, get back to cooking. Hey, good morning. It is October 12th. It's about 7:30 and about 40 degrees out. What you're looking at up there is Mono Lake. Got a special walk today planned. Gonna get into some fall foliage. It's gonna blow your mind, and hopefully we'll get into some fish. So I heard there's some brownies up here. We're gonna get after them and let's do it. That's where we're headed. Back in there. Gonna be about an hour's walk. Gonna gain about 600 feet in elevation. And yeah, I'm already breathing hard. There's one on the lake again. Pretty sweet, huh? Let's go. So we're walking through this aspen grove here, and I think we're a little late in the season, to be honest with you. I mean, it's pretty, but it's losing a lot of leaves, as you can kind of see. Usually this place is just lit up gold. So it's October 12th. I think we're gonna have to come here about a month early next season to get the full spectrum of color. All right, let's keep going. Almost to the lake. Take a look at this grove. You can see how we really are late. I mean, this would just be dynamite walking through here about a month ago. They've been completely lit up. There's one tree hanging on, but it doesn't get a lot of sunlight. I mean, that's looking due east. You can see the sun's coming up right there, but it doesn't get a lot of sun. And as a result, these not a lot of photosynthesis, so these leaves are coming and going quicker than the rest of the ones that are getting some sunshine. But we'll have to come back because this is pretty epic. I mean, just look at all these aspen trees. Could you imagine walking through here when these things all have their leaves? Pretty awesome. Parker Creek. Reminds me of a good book I read. Trees Falling in the Sierras by Tim Burr. Gotcha, a little dad joke for you there. All right, let's carry on. Well, we made it. And what a beautiful morning. I'm just going to let you take this in along with me. Check it out.